Hey, have you ever seen an LLM create something this fast before? Watch this. Done. There was no done. How ridiculous is that? So in case you haven't heard, there's a new LLM out there called Mercury, made by Inception Labs, that is absolutely ridiculously fast. And because of the way it works, it actually uses less iterations. I mean, like just watching this on the screen right now, just let this play out. As you can see, this took 14 iterations. And then a regular LLM takes 75. Now, one of the craziest things is this runs at 1,000 tokens per second. I mean, that's 5 to 10 times faster than anything on the market right now. I mean, just watch how quickly it creates a simple code compared to Claude and ChatGPT. I mean, 6 seconds. And Claude and GPT obviously take a little more time, but we got 28 seconds, 36 seconds. But I mean, this is crazy. It created a game in no time at all. Now, I could modify this and play with it and make it better, but this is crazy. Even with some of their suggested prompts here, like make a snake game, make sure the snake doesn't move too fast. I won't cut this either. I'll just let this play real quick, and we're done. We have a snake game. I mean, to me, that snake moves a little too fast. I mean, seconds. And you basically have a code. So, I mean, we can take this code, into like VS Code or something and make this even better. Here, I'll just show you how fast it is again. So I have this simple prompt that I've made to create websites. So I will start right here. So I'm just going to copy all of this. And I'm going to put it in here because it says, how can I help you code? Okay. Ready for this? And go. I probably can't even get a drink before it's done. It's already done. So by giving it my prompt, it basically gave me the prompt, how to change directory, install the required packages, configure the tailwind, the directory structure. Here's how you can create the components. Here's how you create the footer. I mean, this is crazy. And it took seconds, and this gives me one heck of a good start for creating my website. I mean, look at all this information it just gave me in seconds. I mean, how to create a sitemap, how to, privacy policy, final touches, by giving it a simple prompt of explain this section in more detail and just gave it this. Look at all this information it gave me, explaining every single step. And it took seconds. Like for example, let's just pick a random spot here. And I'm going to say, let's pick this whole section. So I'm going to highlight it and I'm going to say explain. Watch how fast. I mean, it's almost done already. So it says, certainly, let's break down the service location. So it explains, it's a dynamic page that shows information. Here's the code breakdown. Here's a detailed explanation. So, I mean, if you're looking to get into coding or trying to understand coding, like myself, who, like my coding experience is 20 years old and it's completely out of date. Like I said, the last thing I ever coded with was Dreamweaver, because this was probably 2002-3 time frame, because after that, everything was pretty much, you just dragged in blocks. You just built websites now. What you see is what you get, and you just clicked on things, and, you didn't have to learn code anymore. But, I mean, I've always loved learning code and learning how to do this stuff. And now with this, I mean, it tells me in seconds. And I'm just blown away by this, and I'm not the most technical person myself. I mean, there's a lot of things on here that I probably don't even understand what a lot of this is. This is crazy. I would seriously check it out if I were you. It is free right now. You just have to go to chat.inceptionlabs.ai. I'll try to leave a link below. It's completely free. They do have you do have to sign up if you're looking to get on their API. You do have to sign up for their waiting list, which I did because I think I know how I can use this in other ways. But I mean, I can sit here and show you comparison charts till we're blue in the face. I mean, this is insane. This is the future of LLMs. I mean, wow. So I just had to do a short video about this. That's all I got for you today. Let me know what you think. Leave me some comments. Say, hey, that's cool. Other than that, have a good one. See ya.